Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 16 power x plus 1 power x equal 81 power x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 16 power x plus 1 power x equal 81 power x. If I'll divide both sides with 81 power x, so it becomes 16 power x by 81 power x plus 1 power x by 81 power x equal 1. So this I can write it as 16 by 81 whole power x plus 1 by 81 whole power x equal 1. 16 I can write it as 2 power 4. Similarly, 81 as 3 power 4 whole power x plus 1 power 4 by 3 power 4 whole power x equal 1. So 2 by 3 whole power 4x plus 1 by 3 whole power 4x equal 1. Now this 1 I can write as 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. If we solve there, it becomes 2 plus 1 as 3 by 3 equal 1. So now on comparing 2 by 3 whole power 4x plus 1 by 3 whole power 4x equal 2 by 3 whole power 1 plus 1 by 3 whole power 1. Now if I'll compare both sides, 2 by 3 whole power 4x with 2 by 3 whole power 1. If the base are equal, their power are also equal. So 4x equal 1, x equal 1 by 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So people make it complicated, but if you want to learn more tricks like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.